I just would like to show you an example of a door which is advertised on the market as CE certified. In fact, it is not. There is no CE certification sticker anywhere. There is a motor, but here, as this curtain is over 20 kilograms, there should be a safety device, safety brake, to prevent, in the case of a malfunction of a mirror and breaking of a bracket here. If a bracket would snap of a mirror, then this curtain would free fall in the rails. So there should be a safety brake preventing free fall of a broken curtain. However, it's not present here. So some companies, they save money on your safety actually. So just be aware, and be also advised that all our doors are done with a CE certification mark. You would have a CE certification sticker on our doors here at the bottom. You don't have any on these doors. No safety brake. Yet this door is being offered as CE certified. I know the company. If any'd like to know more details, just check our website for more information about CE certification and safety of our doors.